Dams, marvels of engineering, symbolize our ability to harness the immense power of water for various purposes, including power generation, irrigation, water supply, and transformative landscape projects. In this video, we explore the grandeur of the 15 largest megadams worldwide. San Roque Dam, Philippines. The San Roque Dam in the Philippines, with an estimated cost of $1.2 billion, commenced construction in 1998, opening officially in May 2003. Located on Luzon Island, along the Agno River, 124 miles north of Manila, the dam serves electricity generation and provides irrigation to local farmers. Standing at 656 feet and stretching 3/4 of a mile, it creates a reservoir covering nearly 5 square miles, holding around 220,000 cubic feet of water. The hydroelectric plant, with 3 vertical shafts and Francis water turbines, has a rating of 411 megawatts, enhancing food production across 273 square miles of downstream land during dry seasons. WAC Bennett Dam, Canada. Situated on the Peace River in British Columbia, the WAC Bennett Dam, constructed between 1961 and 1968, is a towering earth-fill dam at 610 feet, spanning 1.3 miles, forming the vast Williston Lake Reservoir, covering 680 square miles. It was named after the Premier of British Columbia, crucial in raising the $750 million for its construction. Equipped with 10 turbines, the hydroelectric facility boasts a capacity of 2,700 megawatts, supplying a third of British Columbia's energy. Despite economic success, controversies arose due to extensive land flooding, leading to compensation payments for environmental and cultural losses. Aswan Dam, Egypt. The Aswan Dam in Egypt, the world's largest embankment dam, constructed between 1960 and 1970, spans the Nile near Aswan. Essential for Egypt's economic development by regulating the unpredictable annual floods of the Nile, the dam faced challenges in managing varying flood extents. The project aimed for consistent agricultural balance. Cochiti Dam, United States. Situated 50 miles north of Albuquerque in New Mexico, the Cochiti Dam spans the Rio Grande, standing at 251 feet tall and extending 5.5 miles. Constructed between 1965 and 1973 by the United States Army Corps of Engineers, it created Cochiti Lake for recreation. Its primary purpose is managing runoff from Cochiti Mesa and controlling sediment entering the Rio Grande. Despite achieving its goals, the project faced opposition from the Cochiti Keres Pueblo people, leading to an official public apology and restitution efforts in 2001. Nurek Dam, Tajikistan. Built on the Vaksh River in Tajikistan between 1961 and 1980, the Nurek Dam primarily focuses on energy production and water supply for local agriculture. Standing at 980 feet, stretching about 2,300 feet, it features a unique design with a central cement core surrounded by rock and earth. The dam's 9 generators produce around 3,000 megawatts, fulfilling 70% of Tajikistan's energy needs. The reservoir, Tajikistan's largest, covers 38 square miles, with an additional 8.6-mile Dangra irrigation tunnel benefiting a 300-square-mile agricultural region. Samara Dam, Russia. Part of the Volga-K cascade along the Volga River, the Samara Dam in Russia is a substantial embankment dam built between 1950 and 1957. Standing at 171 feet tall and stretching 1.7 miles, it created the Kubyshev Reservoir, covering 2,400 square miles. Proposed in 1910, prison labor was used, and the dam, with 20 turbines, contributes 2,400 megawatts. Overcoming the challenge of blocking a major trade route, the dam incorporates locks efficiently handling larger steamer ships without significant delays. San Luis Dam, United States. In Merced County, California, the San Luis Dam is an earth-filled embankment dam designed to collect excess runoff from the Sacramento-San Joaquin River Delta during the rainy season. Built between 1963 and 1968, standing at 382 feet tall and stretching 1.15 miles, it feeds the San Luis Reservoir. Covering 19.8 square miles, the reservoir irrigates over 1 million acres and powers the William R. Gianelli power plant with 424 megawatts. Concerns about changing climate patterns prompt a proposal to raise the dam by 20 feet. Oroville Dam, United States. In California, the Oroville Dam, constructed between 1961 and 1968, is a zoned earth-fill dam across the Feather River. At 70 feet tall and stretching 1.3 miles, it creates Lake Oroville, the second largest reservoir in California. Connected to the Edward Hyatt power plant, with an 819 megawatt capacity, the dam serves flood control and irrigation. Incidents in 2017, including a failed spillway and evacuation of 188,000 people, led to restructuring for enhanced safety. Oahe Dam, United States. North of Pierre, South Dakota, the Oahe Dam spans the Missouri River, creating a vast reservoir extending 231 miles upstream. Commissioned between 1948 and 1962, standing at 245 feet and stretching 1.7 miles, the dam plays a role in flood control, navigation, power generation, and irrigation. With 51 recreational sites, it has a significant impact on the Cheyenne River Indian Reservation and the Standing Rock Reservation, leading to over 200,000 acres of land acquisition. Houtdijk Dam, Netherlands. In the Netherlands, the Houtdijk Dam is part of the Zuiderzee Works, connecting Lelystad and Enkhuizen. Stretching 18.6 miles and with a width of 223 feet, it separates two large lakes, one planned for eventual complete reclamation. Unlike dams for power generation, the Houtdijk features a road on top, used by approximately 8,500 vehicles daily. The halfway point includes an emergency harbour with a restaurant, offering an unusual and expansive human-designed landscape. Ataturk Dam, Turkey. Formerly the Kaaba Dam, the Ataturk Dam, a zone-fill rock dam with a central core, stands across the Euphrates River in Turkey. Constructed between 1983 and 1990, measuring 554 feet tall and stretching 1.1 miles, it ranks as the third largest dam globally. The Ataturk Reservoir covers 315 square miles, with a capacity of 11.7 cubic miles. Controversially, it significantly affects the Euphrates downstream in Syria and Iraq, with accusations of Turkey using water as a geopolitical tool. Fort Peck Dam, United States. The largest of 6 dams along the Missouri River, Fort Peck Dam in Montana is 250 feet tall and almost 4 miles long, forming Fort Peck Lake, the 5th largest artificial lake in the U.S., spanning 130 miles in length and boasting a shoreline longer than California's coastline. It is entirely within a wildlife refuge. Constructed between 1933 and 1940, it provides hydroelectric power, flood control, and improved water quality. Tragically, during construction, a dam failure incident led to the loss of 8 lives. Tarbela Dam, Pakistan. Built between 1968 and 1976 on the Indus River, the Tarbela Dam is the largest earth-fill dam globally. Approximately 65 miles northeast of Islamabad, it manages water supplies following the Indus Water Treaty. At 485 feet tall and 1.7 miles long, it spans from an island to the riverbank, creating the Tarbela Reservoir. Covering 100 square miles with a capacity of 3.4 cubic miles, it regulates water flow, and the power station, with 17 turbines, has an installed capacity of 4,800 megawatts. Plans for expansion aim to increase capacity by almost 50%, contributing to responsible water flow regulation and mitigating flood dangers.